Again, sa mga naimay kasi classic niya, again, wala niya po yung sponsor na umulitin. So, appreciated nyo, sa photograph, or any kind. Ma-appreciate na ginala mo.
Daplin na mo. Daplin na mo.
Milton, daplin na.
Salamat na, thank you all. Again, both teams, first fight. Ready? First source, Yatra.
Sit down na, sit down na.
Number 24. Kasi nagbahaw, iguman ka ba?
Ay, mag-drop ni mo. Ang case na ko tayo. It's okay. Basta bilhin na ko na mo. Not there. Ayaw ko. Ayaw ka vlog.
Again, salamat sa kawan. Players ready? Let's go. Start our ball game. Let's go.
Thank you.
Nakuha ni Disa. Disa, kalma, boy. Adara, boy, serves it over. Steve Mozi, remaining for first quarter. 15-second shot clock. Drop past to Daniel, fakes. Pass the boy, hesitates. Shoots. Bang. That's 3 points. Brought to you by Kia Motors. Pass to Moody. Drop pass to Lord. Lord, no hesitation. 2, 1. Boy, give pressure.
Tita Mozi!
7 minutes remaining. I know ya. Kuya, ginagawa. What's the time? It's gonna be an out of bounds, same ball. 40 seconds remaining for first quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. Lawrence, no pass. Steal by Mark. Keeper goes to goals. Easy 2 points. Good for 2. Again, 2-5 in favor of Sin City.
This shoes are ugly, but that...
Mozi kill.
But
Mozi drawing a play. Pass to Regina.
nice!
Lord, crossover.
Yak!
Layup, wala. Pero nakuha niya mo ng
Pati ka
offensive
mo,
rebound.
Jesus.
Wala yan. Pero nakuha ni Andre. Once a call rep, nakuha ni Jeans.
Ito mo din!
Nakuha ni Kuya. Gumaan. Pass to Mar. Long pass to keeper fakes. Boy. Pass to Daniel. Miscommunication. Keeper nakuha. 30 seconds shot clock. Keeper. Wala. Kuha ni Mar. 10 seconds shot clock. Boy wide open. No hesitation. 3. No good. Rebound. Mozi. Again, there's an 8 seconds violation.
I know you can win! Oh my goodness! Tita Mozi!
Mark Jumandan. Stops. Pop. Wala. Rebound by Laura. Gardio. Dribbling the ball. Looking for a wide open teammate. Scanning the floor. Jigs Diaz. 10 second shot clock. Mozi. Fakes. Shoots. Si Jovia. Again, laban ng buckets. 6-5. 4 minutes and 44 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Mark Landan. Mark Steve.
Milton lagi.
Turns it over, pero nakuha ni Boy. Mark. Extra pass to Disa. Disa fires. Wala. At nakuha ni Jeans yung defensive rebound. Andre. Pass to Lord. Big man dribbling the ball. Pass to Lawrence.
The ball, she wants the ball.
Fakes.
Yo, yo,
Gonna be a
what
traveling, lifting.
Isa to, ha?
Again, 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for first quarter. Mark. Pass to keep it. Keep it, scanning the floor. Pass to decent, wide open three. Wala. Medyo namuglang si Daniel doon. Boy cash in. Lord, coast to coast, lifting again. Ball is lifted. Again, tantay-tantayin yung moves. Kaya masunod kayo ng time. Mark. Miscommunication. Pero nakuha ni Andre. Andre, looking for a receiving. Andre, 20-second shot clock, Andre. Andre. Pass to Lord. Lord finds Jeans. Jeans, no hesitation to fire, airball, on and hard. K-Man gets the ball. K-Man. Nice pass. Once the call ref, it's gonna be a foul. Foul number 23. 33. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution and knock out in. First row for number 2.
Wala naman, Daddy.
Again, our score 5-6 in
Daddy, you
favor
can
of
go.
our team.
Daddy, you can go. And Daddy, you can do it.
Ayan.
Daddy, you
First row
can
is
do
no good. Kasama siya.
Cut.
I'll video you guys. Sige, cheer na dali.
Second throw for
Daddy, you can do it. Daddy, you can do it.
I'm up.
Daddy, you can do it.
Number 29. No good. Striker gets the ball.
Go, Dad.
Right, inside, right.
Daddy, you can do it.
Dribbling.
Oh my goodness,
Dribbling,
God.
power move, drop pass to striker. Miscommunication again. Rosie.
Ay, wait.
Ay,
Give it.
bawal sa-
Give it back.
Wow.
Lagi kinabidyo si ate.
Power pass to you. Let's go.
Oh.
Game. Let's go. Again, this is the first game of bucket. Tomorrow, now we're facing Dua against JGA Pharmacy. Team Bucket tomorrow, we have a game. Team GA Pharmacy. So we're ready tomorrow, guys. Number 21. Number 21, Kitaro. Laying out, wala
Dali,
control.
Mami.
Number gets the offensive rebound. Good for 2.
Hey, guys, taklin momentum.
Simple na kaya, pero nilingit mo kayo. Mark, pass to Disa fires, wala. Nakuha, nagibato na kaya, good for 2. Shot. Wala po.
Daplin mo.
Jordan.
Number 21.
3 seconds.
Oh, wide
Sit down
open.
here. Sit down here.
Third face, pass to Tomas face, Gibaling. Number 24 face,
Disturb na kita.
Shot clock, 1 second. And
Nice.
for 2. Being a shot clock violation.
Mo, lipay-lipay ba niya? Dili,
Mark.
sure. Ano ba ito?
Mark, for speed. Finds Disa, drop pass to number 29, power move. Wala.
Nabitin.
Number 21. Wala tawag ng referee. So it's good. Let's go. Number 21. Drop pass to 23. Number 23. Steps back. Fires red. Number 77. Fires.
Asa,
Wala.
Zen?
Pero nakuha ni Boy. Boy finds K-Pen under 27. Next stop. Drop. Pass to Boy.
Ah, short.
Ulo sa fitness.
Can we switch?
Again, 1
No.
minute remaining
No,
for
na, sit
first
down.
quarter.
Mom, it's not
At 24
please.
seconds, shot clock,
Sige
team
lang,
bucket.
it's okay. I'll buy you
Tomas
again.
dribbling the ball. Tomas finding Steven.
I open it.
Tomas, no hesitation, three.
But the other one is already freeze.
Yeah, don't change.
Use the other
Good for
drink,
2
the
by
other one.
K-Pop.
Give me the other one. This?
Saan na to taon? Again, 35 seconds remaining, guys. 21. Post move. Fires. Wala.
Mama, open it. I'm not gonna open just
Fast
mama.
breaking.
Look
Pass
at
the
mama.
bar. Miscommunication out of bounds. Again, 18 seconds remaining, guys.
Sorry.
15 seconds remaining.
Huh?
10
Uy.
seconds remaining. Number 21. Drop pass to Triker. Triker fires. Wala. 5 seconds remaining. Go.
Kaya nga.
3 seconds remaining. Mark last shot. Wala. And the first score. Again, score 11-10 in favor of Sin City.
My ball. That's my ball. That.
Sakto na, sakto na.
Can I have my ball?
Luuy.
Yeah. Tunga, tunga. Yeah.
Pila pang bola para di mabakot.
Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Start of our ball game. Let's go. Start of the second quarter. Buckets gets the ball position. Kevin fakes, fires for three.
Hey!
Number 31. Bang bang. Paksit. Wow na. Yan sa kay mo. Mark finds JJ. JJ steps back. JJ.
Oops.
What's the call, ref? It's gonna be a foul. Foul number 0.
Say one.
First foul, first team foul. Again, 8-second shot clock, guys. 8-second shot clock, Mark. 5-second shot clock. Sirs, hawan ngayon, taksin, wala. Pero nakuha ni Lawrence ang rebound. Lawrence, pass to number 21. Number 21 goes to Kuwait. Sirs, what's the call on? It's gonna be an out of bounds, same ball. Again, nabaw dalawang team buckets.
Oh, jelly.
Jelly.
Look at it.
Again, 10-second shot clock, number 21. Fakes, fires.
No.
Mark gets the rebound. Mark demanda, that's the serve. Again, it's gonna be a turnover. Bulan the team buckets. Again, 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for second quarter.
I see a butterfly. It's gone. Look, you see?
Number 21 fakes. Number 21 fakes. 12-second shot clock. Number 2 number 0. Lawrence. Back to number 21. First wala. Yabo ni Raef. Raef finds Lawrence. Finds number 21. 20-second shot clock. Number 21. Go, ask you about it. Go. Raef. Wide open 3. Wala. Pero nakuha ni Sirs. Sirs, miscommunication again. It's gonna be an out of bounds. Bukas sa team buckets. Time out po. Time out team. Again, both teams, o ganahan na mo tanaw sa inyong highlights, i-search lang ang Facebook ni Nikki. O buwan mo niya, chat na mo, confirm mo. Okay, let's go.
Di tanan ni confirm. Di joke.
24. Let's go. Number 33, Moses Goya. Mosey, miscommunication to his kuya. And out of bounds. Balik ka. Mula sa team Sin City. JJ stops, fires, wala. Pero nakuha ni Sirs, gas, fires. Block. Gonna be a champion violation. No call. Yeah, no call. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for second quarter, guys. 24 seconds shot clock. Sirs, pass to JJ. We're 24. Pero JJ, gonna be safe, but kulang yan sa 3 buckets. Again, 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 4:20. Lord Dio. Pass number 21. Fires for 3. Wala. Bounce. Mula sa 6 city. To JJ. Dribbling the ball. JJ out. Uses the screen. JJ almost turns it over. 13 second shot clock. Arlie. Pass to JJ.
Okay.
And LeBron James, 5 second shot clock. JJ. 29. 14 second shot clock. Spin. Foul number 23. 21. First personal foul. Second team. Bonus score for number 29. A chance to get the lead. Bonus score for number 29. And all good. Again, the score tied.
Mag-graduate na sige mo, Ziba. Sige ka, Paul.
Young, 21. Pass to 24. Bob gets the
Sit
lead.
down.
Spins, drop pass
Ano
to
ba si
29.
Ari Nuri?
Look at
Go! Go, Kai! Go!
First personal foul, third team foul. Again, 2 free throws for number 29.
No. Okay.
First throw is good.
Sabi ba?
Second throw is good. Again, labaw ng dua ang Team Sin City. 15-13.
I think I knew that.
For 21. 20 seconds shot clock. For 21, pass to Mozy. Mozy fakes, drives,
Ayaw.
Tegaliso pa si Mozy. Manamitik ang pinapagawa mo number 21. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 21. Good for 2 by number 21. One is 15 points. Again, 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for second quarter.
Kamu jud ang MVP aning video na ako. Sila gid ang MVP aning video na ako. Sila rin ang bida.
Offensive foul.
Wala na, angry na si ate.
Offensive foul number 29. Offensive foul.
Oo, ka mga saba.
Number 21.
Video ba?
Dribbling the ball. Under 20 seconds shot clock. Losing. Fakes. Fakes again. Shoots. Wala. Pero nakuha ni Sirs. Sirs. Sirs hits. Pass. Pass to JJ. JJ. Hesitates. Carson 2. And no good. Sirs.
Agay.
Tip. But no good. Number 21 gets the ball. Second shot clock. Wala. Nakuha ni Lord. And what's the call? It's gonna be out of bounds. Same ball.
Sige lang, kay supportive kay mong GR.
Makita highlights Rondi dito. Nakita nyo na.
Let's go back to the ball game.
Ball game to the back.
I'll go. Andre, inbound. Passes the striker. Fire for 3. Defensive rebound. Tomas, you got that one. That's good. It's gonna be a traveling violation. We had 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for second quarter. 21 seconds shot clock. Number 23, good play, ball. 23. 23. Pass to striker, step back. Pass to Raef. 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 29. Pass break by JJ. Good for 2. Labaw ng duha ang Team Sin City. 17-15. 55 seconds remaining for second quarter. Tomas nagmay lumaylog. Tomas. Pass to Kevin. Drop pass to Andre. Andre fires. Wala. But Laguna to the spins. Long pass to JJ.
Okay!
Gonna be a turnover. Again, mas pasiga pa eh. 30 seconds remaining. 29 seconds remaining. Again, this is a running time. No shot clock remaining. 18 seconds, Tomas. Tomas, pass to Kevin. Kevin fakes. Pass to Tomas. Tomas wide open for 3. Bang! 8 seconds remaining. Pass to Disal Daniel.
Hulyo.
Again, Tim. Tap. Stop, Gerald. Mula sa Sin City. Fires for Trey. Wala. Pero naman ni Lisa.
Agay!
Wala. Pero naman ni Lord. Lord, nagalisod. Lord, behind the back. 18 seconds shot clock. Lord, nakuha ni K-Fox. Grabe, K-Fox. K-Fox, spins. 8 seconds shot clock. K-Fox.
Agay!
Daniel, 5 seconds shot clock. Daniel, Daniel, pushing foul.
Ito galing, nawala ito yung
Foul zero. Foul for 0. First personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 12 seconds. Daniel again. Pass to Keeper. Pass to Mark. What a move by Mark. But it's not good. Go. Take a bit up. 50% go. Foul number 24. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First row for Bob. First row. Agay. Third.
24, that's my ball.
Table time out.
So that's my ball, 24.
Wow, wait. Waiting for technical.
No!
Garden! House rules mo go. Delaying the game. Jeans, fires for 3. Pero wala, nakuha ni Lord. 10 second shot clock, guys. Number 21, fires for 2. Wala, pero nakuha ni Sirs. Pass to Mark. Long pass to K-Fox. K-Fox. Bumps. Ooh, small rep. Foul number 21. Second personal foul, 35.
Sige, malasalag ka
Foul
ball.
goal. Honestly,
Dog ko nilong. Tungod lang sa phone.
first round is no good.
Imiyat lang
Again, our score about lima ang team sa
Kanya baka lagi. Trash talk. Ada joke.
Second round is no good. Again, 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for third quarter. 17 seconds shot clock, number 21. Hesitates. Wala. Diaz. Pass to Segovia. 8 seconds shot clock. Lord. Fires. Out of bounds. Same ball. Again, 5 second shot clock ha? 5 second shot clock. Shot clock, batayi, 5 seconds.
Puro sila foul, walay shooting. Kang score, maragya po na first quarter.
21. Fakes. Pops. And good. Shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation. Hindi may guli. Pero may guli to reset 14. Again, Caper dribbling the ball. What as a dead ball sa mga bench players ng isa.
Hey!
Mark AJ Domandan.
Ito 3 points.
3 points.
Proud na Papa Adrian, atong president. Nagtanaw na. Again, Muzi. Shout out to his family too. My family din yan. Shout out to Tito Lam and Tito Kevin. Shout out guys. Mark drives. Who's foul ref? Stop go. Substitution yan ang 5-8. Who's foul ref? Allenberg 23. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Guys. Warning for penalty pa. 14 foul one. Last foul yung penalty na penalty. First row for Mark. No good. Kalawin ko kaya yung wala. Second row for Mark. And second row is good. Again, our score 24-15 in favor of Team Sin City. 5 minutes and 5 seconds away for the third quarter. Guard, Lisa. Lisa, guard, stop. What's going on? It's going to be a traveling violation.
Boring.
Again, kana si
Painitan
Deepak
yung pagsambagay mo, Di.
Garcia.
Wala pa nilingaw.
Okay, hindi mo dyan na malikaya ng reklamo ka. Iya, malikaya. Okay, siya. And 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
Hey! Foul counted.
Go. Penalty. Foul number 21. Third personal foul penalty. One throw for Mark.
Sige naman na sila escort ng magka-foul, right? Pero ganahan sila.
Bonus throw for Mark is good. Red fires wala. Tatlo lagi ko. Who's foul? Foul number 21. Fourth personal foul penalty. Again, number 21. Fourth personal foul wala. Wait. 10 second shot clock. Steal by Lord. Wala na kami Daniel. 2 points. Again, nabaw na kung 14. Red. Scanning the floor. Moving the screen. Red. Ay naman, wala. Boy, offensive foul. Loose ball foul na, sorry. Foul number 6. First personal foul. No team foul. That's a loose ball foul. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining for third quarter. Lord. Fakes.
Come here, babe. Come here, please.
Shot clock 8 seconds. Lord, drive. Who's foul ref? Foul number 12.
3 seconds na.
First
1, 2,
personal
3.
foul.
Come
Foul.
Dito na.
Again, 2 free throws for Argentina. First row, no good. 29-15. Favor of Team Sin City. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Second throw, no good. Kaya kuha niya po ni Lord. Lord. 2. Daniel going up in. Pass to Mark.
Dumpling mo ba?
Pass to Kid Fox. Face Fox. Oh. Right to Kid Fox. 8 seconds shot clock. Aral Kid Mark. Aral ayun at
Wala!
good for 2. Simple move by Mark. Ganda. Lumal tao James
I
yan.
was joking.
Again, 3 minutes remaining for third quarter. Red, almost losing it. Red, dribbling the ball. Red, moving down. The last one, open for 3. Wala. Medyo bukas ng muscle. Daniel again. Again, leading for 2. Our score 33-17. 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Number 3 against the rebound. Mark. Mark, post to post again. What a pass by Mark. Who's fouled? 24. Foul number 24, pushing foul. Third personal foul, penalty. Timeout, team of this league. 2 free throws. Look over there yourself. Kasi yung phone naman. Institution, din na, dari.
Sino yan?
Second round of it. Kevin gets the ball. Again, 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. For third quarter, 18 seconds shot
Wednesday,
clock.
last Wednesday.
Kevin, number! Mr. Lombao! What up? Number 29, miscommunication. Bula sa D buckets. That's a very long key. Save ball, I'm sorry, save ball. My bad. It's a very long swing, guys. No one can do that except him. Number 3, pass to Boy Boy. Boy Boy fire. Wala ni Hongyo. Andre, fight to drive. Rev, 18 seconds shot clock, number 10. 10, Rev. 5, RJ Techames. RJ Techames spins. Red. Shot clock 8 seconds. Shot clock 5 seconds. And steal by Sirs. K-pop. Boy Boy. How do you know hesitation 3? Wala. Nakuha ni K-pop. Simple rin. Good for 2. Again, our score 35-17. Favor of Team Sin City. 1 minute remaining for third quarter. RJ, they check this game ratio. Fires for 3. Wala. Again, taas pa kayo oras. So use it. Again, 50 seconds remaining. Boy. Dribble the ball. 40 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Boy, drive, face, pass. Kevin gets the rebound. 30 seconds remaining. RJ Techames. Dribbling the ball again. Pass to Raef. Looking for his man. 5 striker. It's going to be a turnover. Again, no shot clock. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. K-Pops finds number 29 for 29. Well, steals the ball in that again. Again, 4 seconds remaining. 3 seconds remaining. Boy, last shot. And... Let's go, Let's go back to the ball game. Again, this is our last fourth quarter.
No.
Then,
Sa table, tipping ka ba? Tipping niya ka.
Team buckets. Again, this is the first game of Team Bucket. Segovia. 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 Wow. Segovia. Wala. Grabe kung ginagawa si Segovia. Wow, Harley. Wow. Ay, itong kaya na. Drop pass. Out of bounds. Mula sa Team Bucket.
Ay, ang bola o mas na. Ay, tanan?
Segovia. 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 Finding his teammates, getting it to find more real. Spins. Pass. Fires for three. Wala. Number 1, number 21. 13 seconds shot clock. Number 21. Hesitates. Spins. Fires. What a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Elias Grab. Pero nakuha ni Arjun Chavez. Nakita ni 21. No hesitation. Spin again. Wala. Pero nakuha ang offensive rebound. And foul. Foul number 0. Blocking foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Again, 7 minutes remaining for four in the last quarter. First row from each other. First row a little bit.
Later number ka, nag-listen pa ko.
Shout out to Boss Nick Caballero. Second throw is good. And shout out sa Umigo, kakaroon para balik from MNM. Zamzor Delvensor. Let's go. Here, masipang palakpakan dyan. From BGC Paris. Again, me, pass to number 21. Pero nakuha ni Argentine Justice. Kapag ako sa Blanca. Lawrence, good for 2. Again, our score, 19-26. Favor of Sin City. JJ.
Apa?
Naman sila na jawasan sila.
Out of bounds, mula sa Team Buckets. Substitution,
Varsity walk ba?
Let's go. Go, guys. Court. Losing killer. Segovia. Segovia. Drawing the play. Segovia. Pass to Tomas. 12 seconds shot clock. 5 Roberts. Roberts back to Segovia. Whoa. That's a foul. Again. Foul number 0. Pushing foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Segovia. Way more shoot. Not the shooting foul. Segovia. Pass to RJ Chavez. RJ Chavez fires for 3. Wala. Pero nakuha ni Lord. Dininagan na yung Nico. Wow! Kinain ang buhay! Pero nakakaulit yapon. That's a nice defense by number 29. But still, the basket is counted. Let go. God answering.
Eh! Bab na naki-highlight. Okay na. Bab na.
Siya guys, out na. Usog yung ganang buduwak. Karoon, ginahitay na tao na. Grabe ka, Brad. Uzi, fires, wala. Gigamita ka sa veterano ng Wolves Liagaw. Wagi kita speed, ano? Again, 15 seconds shot clock. Mark that. Steps back. Fires. Very good. Time out. Team Buckets. Shorter.
Mga fighter kay pagbuduwa niya, why?
May practice was condition. Ingani man sa ning style ning uban. Pero ang kalahian nanuwa na sila prior like itong pag Saturday.
The number 21. Our score 43-23 in favor of Team Sin City. 20-second shot clock, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for 4 and last quarter.
Dili.
Good for 2.
Uy! Ang
Again, our last quarter, no winning sign. Number 21, no three, wala. At nakuha ni Andre, wala. 10-second shot clock, it's gonna be another round. Mula sa team Sensare. Sin City was a great field.
Sin City siya.
Tearstruck din nila sa team. Tearstruck. Tearstruck or tearstruck? 15-second shot clock. Mark. Takes. Finds Bob. Wala. Pero nakuha yung number 21. Wala. Number 21. Ginahos. Fake. Sabi niya kauban si Ogie mo. Substitution, and out in. Grabe, makaila dyan si Gigoy. Nindot, sige, masahan yun. Shout out, Boy Bemba! From UC Webmasters, our defending champion of 2023. Boy Bemba, nakasat ba, maputi. And kanayang tapat, from UV Baby Lancers, Janet Cole, Bibig Panggapon, Halimaw Support, o Halimaw sa Kama.
Agay.
Yes, that's for you. Number 21, Myers, wala. 7-second shot clock. Wala. Shot clock 24, resets. Bar. Simple move. 5, JJ, good for 2. Again, 3 minutes remaining for the fourth quarter.
Salamat.
Red, dribbling the ball. Red, stops. Finds Lord. Finds number 21. Takes again. Number 21. Shoots. Number 2. Happy. Mark and Dan. Using squeeze. Bar. Simple move. The move. Wala. Nakuha ni Trenka. Third to over. Broadcast to JJ. Good for 2 by JJ. And score 48-25. But the favorite team, Cincy. Cincy, was it made for you? Number 21, Fakes. Finds number 24. 24. Finds Red. Number 21 again, 8-second shot clock. 7-second shot clock. And whoa, basket is counted. Foul number 10. 11. Foul number 11. Pushing foul, first personal foul. 13th foul. Bonus throw for number 21. Bonus throw is no good. Pero nakuha ni Mark. Again, 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining for last quarter. Daniel pass to JJ. JJ back. We got Andre. Isang Daniel pass to Boy. Temporary ng Pinas. No good. Pero nakuha ni Daniel. Andre rebound. Andre finds Red. Pass to number 21, wide open, good for 2. And CJ serves. Simple pass to Daniel Wilson. Wait. Finds Red. Long pass to 21, number 21. Wala. Number 21 fakes. Shoots, good for 2. 45 seconds remaining, guys. 12 Mark. Shoots wide open 3. So good. Iba by Tracker. Goes to goal. 30 seconds remaining. Wait. Wide open. Wala. If what a thing. Hiya, Brad. Hey, Brad. Paksit! 18 seconds remaining. Daniel. Boy cash in.
Fourth second na di ay?
Kuha ni Mark.
Fourth na.
8 seconds remaining. Again, congratulations, Team Sin City. Team Bucket 0-1. Again,